Hey there, fellow hustler and a future online millionaire. Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the advice on YouTube about getting started with affiliate marketing? Looking for a straightforward formula that works, even if you are a complete beginner? Well, you are in the right place. I've been using a simple 4-step formula since 2018, and it continues to deliver great results every time I put it into action. In fact, this method has helped me earn over $10,000 in affiliate commissions in a single month. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use the same formula to start with affiliate marketing in just 15 minutes. But before we jump in, let me introduce myself. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Ivan, and since 2018, I've been earning a full-time income from affiliate marketing. And on my channel, I share strategies and tips to help people like you get started online. So if you are new here, feel free to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you would like, you can also sign up for my free affiliate marketing business course by clicking the link in the description of the video. And with that being said, let's get started. So as I was saying in this video, I'm gonna share with you the exact 4-step formula that I've been actively using to earn a full-time income with affiliate marketing ever since 2018. And I'm also gonna show you how you can use the same formula to start your own successful affiliate marketing business, even if you are a complete beginner, in 15 minutes or less. And here is the famous 4-step formula. It comes down to 4 simple steps. The step number 1 being choosing your niche. And the step number 2 is building a website. The step number 3 is attracting shoppers to your affiliate website. And ultimately, the step number 4, earning money. The last step happens automatically once you have completed the first 3 steps correctly. That being said, let's dive into the step number 1. So the first step is choosing your affiliate niche and also finding affiliate products that you want to promote to people online so that you can earn income. But first, let's define a niche. And based on my Google research and my own knowledge as well, a niche is a specific area or topic that you focus on. A great example would be if you're interested in fitness, then your niche could be yoga, weightlifting, running gear, or anything else that interests you when it comes to fitness. And my advice when it comes to choosing your niche is that you go with your hobbies, your interests, and your passions. The reason why you want to go this way is that not only that you will already start as a knowledgeable person because you already have some experience in that niche, but also if you are passionate about, let's say, yoga, the passion will fuel the process. When the going gets tough, and with affiliate marketing, sometimes it gets tough, the passion will fuel the process. So I'm gonna choose yoga for this example as my niche, and I'm gonna show you how to promote hot products in yoga niche to a relevant audience to earn affiliate commissions. So the second part of the first step is finding relevant affiliate programs and relevant products in your chosen niche. And the best way to do so is to head over to google.com and type in something like best yoga affiliate programs into the search bar. Google will then give you a bunch of websites that contain curated lists of best yoga affiliate programs. And all that you have to do is open these links and find one product that you would like to promote. In other words, find one product that is most recommended on all these lists and choose it as the top one. And then once you have a product, it is time to join the affiliate program for that product. And you can basically do that through these lists as well. And once you have joined the affiliate program, the next step is building your affiliate website. So I have decided to promote Yoga Burn, which is a digital product for weight loss through yoga. And as I said, the next step is building an affiliate website. And here is a great example of an affiliate website in this niche. As you can see from this page, the website is a simple WordPress operated site that is all about weight loss, yoga, mindfulness, manifestation, etc. In other words, the creator of this website is creating content for people who are interested in weight loss, yoga, and manifestation, and then she recommends relevant products to her audience. And that is exactly what we want to do. And here is a great example of a content that is relevant to the product that I have chosen to promote. It is about using yoga for weight loss. And if I keep on scrolling through this content, you will see that not only this blog post gives great advice on weight loss through yoga, but also at the end of the post, you will find links to a 12-week yoga program, which is called Yoga Burn, which is exactly the product that I have chosen to promote. And this website is a great example how you too can promote any product in any niche. Simply, you create a website like this, you start creating relevant content to attract relevant audience, and then simply include your affiliate link, recommend that product to your audience. People will be more than likely to purchase Yoga Burn because they are already reading a free article about losing weight using yoga. Basically, you help them to solve a problem for free. And if they want to keep on taking action with solving their problem, you give them a great recommendation, which is an online program for losing weight using yoga. And if you are worried about building a website, and if you would like to learn how to build a website like this and how to create content like this and how to put your affiliate links on your website so that people can purchase the product you choose to promote, head over to the freeaffiliatemarketingbusiness.com or click the link in the description of the video. And once again, join my free affiliate marketing business program. With this free step-by-step training course, I can teach you how to leverage this exact 4-step formula to turn any of your passions, interests, or hobbies into a full-time affiliate marketing business. So once again, if you would like to get access to a free step-by-step video training, all the best tools, and my personal help and support, make sure to click the link below this video and head over to my free affiliate marketing business program, and I'll see you on the inside. The next step is attracting shoppers to your affiliate website. So it's not only enough to have a website and some kind of content on that website and affiliate links. You also have to attract targeted audience to your affiliate website. And as I said earlier, the best way to do so is by creating niche relevant content. So as we have seen in this example, if you choose yoga as your niche, you can create content about weight loss and yoga, and you can attract people who are interested in this specific topic. And if you spark their interest, they will be more than happy to click on your affiliate link and purchase the product you recommend. And to attract those people, you have a couple of strategies, and my top 2 strategies are Google and Pinterest. So all you have to do once you create content on your website and publish it with your affiliate links and everything is to optimize your article for search engines and then let it go. Google will then find your article and it will index it. And once people type in something like how to use yoga for weight loss, there are big chances that your website will be shown in Google search results, and you will attract those people who are interested or probably interested in your product to your affiliate website. We can see the same example here. Here is the website that I showed you earlier. So if I click on the link, I will land on the same website. And if I'm interested, I can also click on the affiliate link and purchase Yoga Burn through this affiliate link. and the creator of this website will earn an affiliate commission. You can do the same through Pinterest as well. So you can head over to Pinterest.com. You can create a free account and you can simply create a pin and enter your link in the description of that pin and share it with people on Pinterest. Pinterest is another amazing search engine that people use to basically find content they want to read, to find products and solutions to their problems. So if someone types in how to lose weight with yoga in Pinterest search bar, the big chances are that your pin will be shown to those users as well, and they can then click on the link and go to your website and click on your affiliate link and purchase the product you promote. And here's the same example once again. So if I click on this link, once again, I will be transferred to the same website where I can read this free article about weight loss with yoga, and I can click this affiliate link to go to Yoga Burn, which is a 12-week program for weight loss. And if I decide to purchase this program for $49, the creator of that website is going to earn an affiliate commission. And that basically completes the step number 3 and step number 4. And that is the 4-step formula in action. So first, you choose a niche and find hot products in that niche. Secondly, you build an affiliate website and you fill it with some content and you insert your affiliate links on that website. Thirdly, you start sharing your website on websites such as Google and Pinterest to attract interested shoppers to your affiliate site and your affiliate links. And if you manage to attract their interest, you can recommend them the product you want and offer them your affiliate link. And if they click on your affiliate link and end up purchasing the product you recommend, you earn an affiliate commission. And that is how you can start with affiliate marketing using a simple 4-step formula that has been working well for me over the last few years. And I'm 100% sure if you apply everything, that it will work for you too. And once again, if you need any further help, you can join my free affiliate marketing training program by clicking the link in the description of this video. With this free step-by-step training program, I can teach you how to start an affiliate marketing business in 4 simple steps using the same 4-step formula that you have just seen in this video. I can show you how to find your niche, how to find products, how to build your entire website from scratch, and how to create content, and also how to use affiliate links to monetize your website and attract shoppers from all over the place. Also, you will get all the best tools that you need in order to implement this 4-step formula. And I'm gonna provide you my free private help and support. In other words, whenever you need help, whenever you have questions, you can simply shoot me an email or use the community feature inside the training program to interact with me, and I will be more than happy to help you get started. I have helped hundreds of people so far, and I will be more than happy to help you too. And thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or if you can offer an experience. Feel free to drop them all in the comment box below. And before you leave, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.